Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up and use Android Auto wirelessly in your vehicle, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your phone without cables. Step 1. Verify that your car supports wireless Android Auto. Not all vehicles with Android Auto have wireless capability, so check your owner's manual or manufacturer's website. Step 2. Ensure your Android phone is running Android 11 or newer and has the Android Auto app installed. Update the app to the latest version through the Google Play Store. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Android phone. Both must be enabled for wireless Android Auto to function properly. Step 4. Start your vehicle and make sure the infotainment system is powered on. The system should be ready to pair with your phone. Step 5. On your phone, open the Android Auto app and follow the setup prompts. Grant all necessary permissions including location, contacts, and notifications when requested. Step 6. In your car's infotainment system, navigate to Android Auto settings and select Add New Device or Connect Phone. The system will search for nearby devices. Step 7. Select your phone from the list of available devices on the car's screen. Confirm the pairing code on both your phone and the car display. Step 8. Complete the pairing process and wait for Android Auto to launch automatically. Your phone will now connect wirelessly each time you enter the vehicle with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.